So guys, let's start our today's live stream, and this is a Array Dsa part 44 which we are covering in today's video. In today's part 34 I am telling you about the length of array in C language. Okay, so now let's start and let's talk about length of a array in C. So now let's start, and this is Array Dsa part 44 which we are covering in today's video. Now the length of an array in C refers to the maximum number of elements that an array can hold. It must be specified at the time of declaration. It is also known as the size of an array that is used to determine the memory required to store all of its elements in C language. We don't have any predefined function to find the length of the array. Instead, you must calculate the length manually using techniques which is based on how the array is declared and used. The simplest method to find the length of an array is by using size of operator to get the total size of array and then divided by the size of one element. Take a look at the below example. But let's see the below example, but highlight the size of operator. Now these are the codes of the C language, not a C++. Okay, so let's copy this code. Let's come on to the Google, and like all the people know from the starting we are using Replit. Okay, so let's open my Replit, and now it has been take a little bit loading. Okay, it depends on your net. So now it has been loaded. So I delete one file, then I will be create app, because if in the premium version you can create more than 3 files in the Replit, but in the free version you will be only create 3 files. Okay, it is enough. But if there is a one rough file, so you can remove that rough file. Okay, now create app, then you will be create C file. Now let's create this file. So it is taking a loading. So now it is connecting to the workspace. Now it has been connected. So I am pasting this code in which I create a one integer array in which I write 5, and then I write 1 2 3 4 5, and then in the 7th line here I find the size of the array, means ARR. So let's see the output. So when I print the output, now let's put console here, and now output I am coming 5. Why? Because in the ARR I write 5. If I write here 10, so then run it. So now it will be print 10 here, you can see it. And if I write here comma 5, now run. Now let's see the output of it. Now it is giving me 10 still, because in the ARR I write 10. So if I remove 10 from the ARR, so it give me output 5. Why? Because in this ARR I write 5. You can see it. So that's 5. Now let's come on it here. Now output is coming 5. Now explanation. In this program, the total size of the array ARR 20 bytes is divided by the size of a single element. Okay, now of the array, 12 bytes divided by the single element in the array. 4 bytes, this is the give the number of element in the array, which is 20 divided by 4 is equals to 5, using pointer trick. Now let's give you the one example using the pointer trick with pointer trick. So let's give you one example using the pointer trick. Now first of all, what you want to do, please do like this. Now we can also calculate the length of an array in C using a pointer arithmetic. We highlight this. This solution of using a pointer is just a hack that is used to find the number of elements in an array. So now let's see. So now let's do this. So let's run this code. So in this code it will give me the output 5 still. Let me show you. Let's run it, and now here you can see it is giving me the output 5. Why? Because here I write 5 in my ARR. Okay, and in the 7th line here I'm finding the size of our array. Okay, now I hope you understand. So minimize it. Now explanation. In the above code, in the expression like multiply by parentheses and ARR plus 1 minus ARR is the main logic here. How it works means that and ARR. If you see this here, this A and ARR, what it is doing, it is give the address of our entire array. Then ARR plus 1. If you see this whole one, what is doing that? It is move the pointer to the address just after the end of the array. In the short form, you can say array to arr. Then we write multiply and arr plus 1. This. Okay. What is the meaning of this? It is references this pointer to get the memory location just after the array. Then we are subtracting the base address of the array, means arr from this value. It gives the total number of elements in the array as pointer arithmetic words, which is based on the size of the element. For example, int in this case. Okay, like this. Please note that these methods only works when the array is declared in the same scope. These methods will fail if we try them on an array which is passed as a pointer. This happens due to array decay. Please highlight this, array decay. So it is recommended to keep a variable that tracks the size of the array. For more insights into array handling and other key data structures in C, our C programming courses, okay, offers comprehensive lessons on arrays, pointers and memory management. And in today's video we are not work in C++, we work in the C, okay, and I explain you the each code, okay. And if you want to write this code, so you can also be written down. Let me show you how you can written down it. So you only want to do it. First of all, define hashtag and then include stdio.h, and then you define your int main, and then you define a curly brackets without any space, int arr5. It will be give you the error because there is a 2 int main, that's why. If you remove this, so then it not give you an error. Here you can see it now, it is not giving you. So define it equals to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then define here this, and remove this all the thing if you want, okay, and then enter, give the space, int ptr equals to arr. You can write these codes like this, okay, int I, then you define for loop I equals to 0, then I less than 5, I plus plus, and then you will be close it like this, and then enter press. Then you will be print f like d, and then give the space from here, comma star ptr plus I, and then like, okay, do this, and then this, perfect. And then we return here, return 0 like this. And now less than you will be run it, so then it will go 1 2 3 4 5. You can see it is giving it output like this, 1 2 3 4 5. Why? Because we print this, okay. And if you want to do something else, so you can write please print only 4 in this array. Now when you enter press, then it will be print only 4 in this array. Let me show you. Okay, it will be take a time, okay, it will be take a little bit time, okay. Then it has been loaded, so it is update the code to print only 4. You can see it has been applied, so then run it. So now it has been printing only 4. Why? Because here ptr plus 3 points to the 4th element, index 3, if you see here, okay, so that's why. So here you can see in today's live stream I told you about how to find the length of an array in C. We use the C language. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you this live stream, if you enjoy this live stream, so please don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and all the notification bell also. So now let's meet you in the next live stream. So now we meet in Monday, okay, because this is a last live stream. Now we will meet on this week. This is the last live stream. So now our our one more live stream will become in Monday, okay. And now our Array DSA part 44 has been ended, because like I have told you that one day we leave and then one day our lab will become like this. Okay, now let's meet you in the next live stream, next very amazing live stream, and I hope you enjoy this live stream. So now please complete my 10,000 subscribers. We are very near to it. So now anyways, let's meet you in the next class and next very amazing class like that type of videos or that type of live streams. So now for today, goodbye.